Hi there, and welcome to our introduction video to TDox. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to move our first steps in TDox. Head over your top left corner, that is the menu icon. Let's click it, the menu will appear. Here you can see different options. Your forms, here you will see your full list of modules, completed or drafted. Users, here there is a list of each single person you gave access to manage a specific task. Your daybook, this is your agenda, containing everything that needs to be done on a specific day. Maps, here you can track your employees' movements and location. Statistics, in statistics you can measure performances offered by your employees. Reports, here there is each single document generated by operators on field. Master data, in this section there are more information on customers, products, user list, other lists and categories, which you can use to organize your content in a more efficient way. Let's now click on Forms. In this section, you will see all the different types of modules or forms you created. If you can't find any, feel free to click on Examples and import modules that will be named according to the list. If you open a form you created, you will have to click on it and then click on Magic Wand. If you open a form from the examples, you will have to click on Create Revision. This is the workflow, the steps that your operators on field will see. You can see how the workflow looks like by clicking on each step and the related fields. Should you want to change anything, head over the right tab under Label, where you can change what is written in the workflow. If you want to change the workflow order, feel free to change the order of the tabs by dragging them in different positions. You can also add new fields by dragging them from the footbar. Once your employee on field will have filled all fields, a document will be created. You can see this document layout by clicking on Save and go to PDF Designer. You can now customize the layout of this document by dragging everything where you prefer it to be, or by adding new fields from the footbar, or fields from the workflow, which will appear from the bottom left button, Add Elements from Steps. Hit now Save and Close. Let's then head back to the main menu. Here, we can click on this icon to publish the form, or we can click on the visibility one to assign it to a specific employee. We will have to move on the right every employee you want to see the workflow. You can click on Visible to all internal users if you want everyone to see it. The button that looks like an eye lets us check the form without changing anything. With the gear, we can delete the form or all the data related to that form. Remember that if you want to delete this form from all your employees app, you need to press Delete All Data. If you click on the icon, you can choose a picture for this form. You can choose a name and write some notes. We can also check the document preview. About all the other buttons on this page, you can see the green one in the middle to create a new form from scratch. The other green one on the left is to create a group of forms. You can choose a name for the group, a description, and then an icon. Moving on, let's go on our smartphone, download TDox, and as soon as the app has been installed, open it and write your credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to see all the workflows assigned to you. If you click on the gear on the top right, you can click on Synchronize to synchronize all the forms. Choose the form you want to fill in and then save. Back on the web app, in the report section of the menu, select the workflow you want to see the report for. Then choose for which time period and hit Confirm. This is the page that will appear with different general information. If you want to see more from here, click on Select Columns. Moreover, you can open or download documents generated by the workflow by clicking on the print icon. This will show you the entire document already filled. For today it's everything. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com. or leave a comment.